Generally, a real estate broker's right to a commission depends on the consummation of the deal that the broker arranged. But what if the deal isn't consummated because of the seller's conduct? Is the broker still entitled to a commission? The Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court considered this question in Hillis v. Lake. In 1984, Donald Lake purchased property in Peabody, Massachusetts, to develop into an industrial park. Before purchasing the land, Lake had it examined for hazardous materials, and no materials were found. In 1986, Lake met John Brady, a partner of a commercial real estate firm. Brady and Lake entered into an oral agreement whereby Brady would serve as the exclusive broker for the park. Brady would then earn 5% of the gross rent or sales price as his commission for finding tenants or purchasers of lots and buildings. Around April of 1988, Brady worked on a proposed deal for the purchase of land and a building in the park by Patriot Properties Incorporated. Lake and Patriot executed a purchase and sale agreement. Under the agreement, Brady's commission for sale of the property was payable if the closing occurred. But after construction was completed, an inspection conducted by Patriot's bank disclosed the presence of contaminated groundwater. Consequently, the bank withdrew its financing commitment, investors withdrew, and the sale failed to close. 1 year later, Patriot found an investor to provide financing and negotiated and closed on a second contract for the same property. Unlike the first contract, Lake was required to provide a report showing there was no evidence of hazardous waste on the property. If Lake couldn't provide a report showing no hazardous waste, Patriot had the option to require him to repurchase the property. Ultimately, Lake couldn't provide the report, and Patriot exercised its option. Brady didn't receive his commission. Brady and a partner at his real estate firm, Dwayne Hillis, sued Lake in state superior court, seeking a commission concerning Lake's failed deal with Patriot. Following a bench trial, the court found that Brady was entitled to a commission. Lake appealed to the Court of Appeals, which reversed. Brady then appealed to the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court.